All right, guys, this is 2017-2018 status basketball. Doing a one box rip, doing two random teams per spot. Everybody that's in on the break is over here on the left hand side, starting from Trey Wins down to J Dog. Copy everybody's name and bring you guys into the random.org. Paste you guys in there 2 times, 2 teams per spot. As always, we go 9 times on that random. Good luck. 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 times. Yeah, we got Trey Wins on top, Daniel K on the bottom. And bring it over to the basketball spreadsheet. And paste you guys in. Like I said, 2 teams per spot. Those are your teams for 17-18 status basketball. Thanks again, guys, and good luck. All right, so here we go. All right, here we go. Status basketball. Good luck, guys. First pack up. Good luck, guys. Definitely some nice rookies in here. All right, the lighting looking all right. There we go. First up is LeBron James. LeBron James for the Cavs. Zach Randolph, Kings. Miles Turner for the Pacers. And Justin Jackson, rookie credentials, going out to the Kings. Bring up the spreadsheet. There we go. Kings. Another rookie of Tyler. Okay. This one's a die cut. Tyler Linden. Die cut rookie for the Denver Nuggets. Very nice. And Jason Tatum going out to Boston. And the break room. Pack 2. All right, Ben Simmons. Elfrid Payton. Nicola Orlando. TJ Warren for the Suns. And franchise factions insert Magic, James Worthy, and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. And rookie for the Sixers, Philadelphia, picking up that Trey Wins. Fultz. Markelle Fultz, rookie. Very nice. First up, Tony Parker, base. Rondo. Lillard for the Blazers. And rookie credentials, Frank Mason for the Kings. going out to Sacramento. And Joanne A. Picking up that rookie credentials, Frank Mason. And another numbered card. This one is 009 out of 299. Going out to the Magic, Aaron Gordon. Orlando Magic and Chaston K. Chaston K picking up that Aaron Gordon, numbered out of 299. And Tony Bradley, rookie for the Jazz. Going out to Utah and Chad C. All right, Serge Ibaka, Eric Bledsoe for the Bucks, Kawhi Leonard for the Spurs, and Phoenix Suns. Going out to Phoenix, and Daniel K. Devon Reed, New Breed rookie auto. That one's number 34. 34 out of 149. New Breed rookie auto. Very nice. Going out to the Suns. And Allen Iverson insert for the Sixers. Symbols. And Tyler Dorsey rookie for the Hawks. All right, first up, Wesley Matthews for the Mavericks. Sarek Gobert, Jawan Evans, rookie credentials going out to the Clippers, LA, and Julian H. Picking up that Jawan Evans rookie credentials insert, and Damian Lillard symbols insert for the Trailblazers, and Jordan Bell rookie for the Warriors. Golden State. Golden State going out to James F. All right, Isaiah Thomas, base. Steven Adams. He got juked out last night. Got his ankles broken. All right, Giannis going out to the Bucks. Frank Jackson, rookie credentials going out to the Pelicans, New Orleans, and that is Chaston K. Picking up that Frank Jackson, Pelicans, rookie credentials. And Dirk, symbols insert. Nowitzki going out to the Mavericks. And Luke Kennard, rookie for the Detroit Pistons. Going out to Break Room. Picking up that Kennard. All right, still got a few packs left here. Let's see if we can hit something major. Something there is backwards. Hopefully it's usually when it's backwards it's something good, but it might just be an insert. Good luck, guys. Brandon Ingram for the Lakers. Avery Bradley for the Pistons. Brooke Lopez going out to the Lakers. DeMarcus Cousins for the Pelicans. Got a blank. And we got another triple. Yep, it's just one of those faction inserts. Isaiah Thomas, Joe Dumars, and Bill Laimbeer. That one is numbered 209 out of 299. Going out to the Break Room Detroit Pistons. 209 of 299. Very nice. And Justin Jackson, rookie for the Kings. Going out to Sacramento and Joanne A. All right, still got 3 packs left. See if we can hit a monster here. Get a little rookie on the back. Let's go here. J.J. Redick. J.J. Redick. Marcus Morris for the Celtics. Chandler Parsons, Grizzlies. And our next rookie is going out to Dallas and Jerry D. Jerry D picking up that Dennis Smith Jr. Dennis Smith Jr. rookie credentials insert for the Mavericks. And going out to Washington Wizards, we got John Wall, Bradley Beal, and Gortat. Factions insert. And another nice rookie going out to the Kings, Joanne A. De'Aaron Fox, Kings rookie. All right, 2 packs left. Let's get it. Right. Kevin Love base. Hassan Whiteside. Jokic. Julius Randle. And another factions insert. This one's for the Pistons. Chauncey Billups, Richard Hamilton, and Ben Wallace. And Josh Hart, rookie for the Lakers. Josh Hart. Going out to LA. And Chad C. All right, last pack on the status basketball. Good luck, everybody. Drew Holiday. Goran Dragic. CJ McCollum. And Larry Legend. Status quo insert. This one's going out to Boston Celtics in the break room. The break room. Status quo Larry Bird insert. And that's a nice one behind that. All right, and for the Lakers, Kyle Kuzma, numbered out of 149. Kuzma rookie out of 149 going out to the Lakers. And Chad C. Very nice. And Sterling Brown. Sterling Brown. All right, so thanks again for getting in on that, guys. Like I said, the nice Kuzma numbered, Larry Bird insert, and the autograph was Devon Reed out of 149 for the Suns. So thank you again, guys. We got more basketball coming up right after this, as well as some baseball. So thanks again. It's Bambino. We're out.